Rising Professionals welcomes you to Video Lectures in C. So far, we've explored arrays with only one dimensional or single dimensional array. It is also possible for arrays to have two or more dimensions. The 2D array is also called matrix. Basically, you can say that the 2D array is a collection of 1D arrays. Let's see the syntax for declaring an array. First will be a data type, array name, row number, and then column number. Let's take an example. Int a 10 will be our row number, 5 our column number. Now let's discuss memory representation of an 2D array. There are two ways to represent 2D array in memory. First, row major order. Second, column major order. Now let us first discuss our row major order. In this, elements of an array are stored row-wise. Similarly, in column major order, the elements will be stored column-wise. The elements are stored here column-wise. Let us learn initialization of an 2D array. Let's take an example. Int a 4 2, that is our row should be 4 and column should be 2, equal to 1 2 3 4 comma 56 or 4 5 3 4 comma 78 or 987 comma 123, and last 1312 comma 78. Or if we even don't put these brackets in between, that is if we write it as int a 4 2 1 2 3 4 comma 5 6 comma 4 5 3 4 comma 78, and so on, even this will work. While initializing a 2D array, it is necessary to mention the second dimension, whereas the first dimension is optional. It means that you always have to mention the column number, and it is completely not important to mention the row number. You can or you cannot. Now let's understand this by making a program. Our program is to simply enter the roll number and marks. So first of all, we'll write hash include stdio dot h int main int a 4 2 comma I comma j. This initializes our array A and two variables I and j. Next, for I equal to 0, I less than equal to 3, I plus plus. Again a for, now j equal to 0, j is less than equal to 1, j plus plus. Printf enter roll number and marks. Next will be our scanf. %d %d 2 %d, that is one for roll number and one for marks, comma ampersand a I j. Semicolon. We will close our curly braces now. Next, for reading the data, again we will enter for. Here also two for loops will be used. I equal to 0, I less than equal to 3, I plus plus. Again a for loop. J equal to 0, j less than equal to 1, j plus plus. Printf %d %d comma a I j. Return 0. Our coding is almost complete now. You can see that in the first for loop we've written I less than equal to 3. Here we've taken that the row number should be 4. So when we start with I equal to 0, automatically when we wanted 4, so it will be like I less than equal to 3. Similarly, column number should be 2, so j should be less than equal to 1. Now let's compile it. 0 errors and 0 warnings. Run. Enter roll number and marks. Let's suppose I've entered roll number 1 and marks 99. Enter roll number and marks. I've entered roll number 2, marks 78. Roll number 3, marks 89. Roll number 4, marks 100. Roll number 5, marks 88.